everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to use Cursor AI for complete beginners. Cursor AI is a cutting-edge AI tool designed to assist developers, writers, and content creators with intelligent code suggestions, error checking, and much more. Here's how it works. You first need to download the app by going to cursor.com and sign up for an account. After installing it, then it will automatically open the app, and by then you can create a new text file. In here, press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard to start generating the code. Next, simply add a prompt or code instructions on the thing that you want. For example, let's enter this prompt right here. Click on Generate, and it will automatically create code for you. Now you need to simply check it if it's okay for you to accept or reject it. Now you can simply copy the code if you want. Now let's try to generate a computer app for this one. Press Ctrl plus key, then enter the prompt. Click Generate to create the code. After that, you can add a follow-up instruction if you want. Now you can copy the code for it. You have the choice to accept the generated code or not, so you need to check it in. Following this shortcut will speed up your code writing process and improve your efficiency. You can explore more than the app for better understanding. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. And we'll see you on the next video.